Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at Aussie yen, looking to see if we can have a bit of a reversal opportunity here as price has moved to the upside. Now, we did have an RBA meeting recently, and they held rates at 0.1%. Now, we did discuss this in the week ahead analysis, discussed that could that bring some disappointment to investors, considering the fact that the RBA have been talking about hiking rates for some time now. So it's definitely something that I think we could start to see a little bit of downside from. Not only that, but we looked at the currency strength meter, which was suggesting that the Aussie, which is this grey line, was at the highs once again and is starting to push a little bit away. Not as aggressively as Kiwi, so you could look at Kiwi yen as well for some potential moves. But Aussie is also doing a similar thing where we're starting to see a little bit of a decrease in the strength of it. So looking at the Aussie yen chart, I want to be looking for potential opportunities for a reversal. Now, on the weekly, we can see that we had quite a lot of selling coming into the market last week. We had a nice rejection with price closing back within the previous week's high, which is a usual sign that there might be something a reversal potentially occurring somewhere. We're in an overbought condition as well on the RSI on the weekly. Again, if that starts to move down and press back through 70, could be an option for price to be reversing as well. But not only that, if we look at it from a 4-hour point of view and go into the details, that previous swing high is now being retested, and we've had a couple of closes right back at these swing highs. So nice little sort of doji candlestick coming in there on the 4-hour time frame. We could start to begin to be looking for a position here in terms of building a potential position, because if price is going to start to fall from here, you know, there's multiple targets that we can look for. We can look at previous swing highs in here, previous swing highs down through here as well, and ultimately if we're going to get that overall reversal, we can target the previous week's low at 90.77. Now, if we go and have a little look at this in a little bit more detail and just go into the 15-minute time frame, I'm just going to open this up a little bit and just zoom in. You can see a very common trading pattern here, which is the head and shoulders, and we talk about looking for these type of patterns at these crucial levels of support and resistance. So we're seeing this head and shoulders, got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder here, looking to see maybe if we can start to break through the neckline of the pattern. Ultimately, I'll be looking for areas of supply and demand. You know, we can see that prices rejected these prices around about 93, 94. If price was to rally to that point up here and reject it, we could start to see that starting to play out to the downside. Ultimately, what I would really like to see is price trade below this low. Okay, so if we can trade below 93.57, I think that would be a better opportunity to start seeing those sellers coming back into the market and for us to trade back into previous structure points. So keep an eye on Aussie yen. We're at a potential reversal area. I like the idea of potentially looking for the reversal opportunity on this one. You know, if we can see price continue to break down, it could give us an opportunity in line with that sort of weekly resistance area. If I pop that one back on the screen there. So keep an eye on Aussie yen back at the previous highs. You know, are we going to see a potential reversal at the highs here? Thanks for watching the video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.